Hi, this is Chef Ricky from Saval Foodservice, and today I just wanted to give a shout out to Bell & Evans Chicken. Their product is absolutely fantastic. These are two recipes that I would like to share with you to highlight their airline chicken breast. We have a herb roasted chicken breast with braised collard greens over Reese's mashed potatoes, and then a chive and black pepper chicken gravy. So now this airline chicken breast from Bell & Evans has been marinating for 12 hours in our herb oil marinade. Add a little bit of virgin olive oil. Add the chicken breast inside down. Let it sear until golden brown. Here we have a wonderful product from Reese's. It is a fully cooked mashed potato. You can either simmer the product in a bag in a water bath and put it in straight into a steam well, or you can just put it into your 3rd pan, 9th pan, 6th pan, and then heat it up for order. All you do is put it in a cold pan, add your portion of potatoes, a splash of cream, and we bring it up to temperature. And then we'll finish it with just a little bit of butter, salt, and black pepper. So for our chive and black pepper gravy, we're going to start with a nice fortified chicken stock, and we are going to bring that to a boil. Along with the fortified chicken stock, I'm going to squeeze 1/4 of a lemon. And if the stock is coming to a boil, we're going to add our cold brew little by little. You can always add more. And let's get in. And reduce the heat back down to simmer. That way we cook the flour taste out of the sauce and get rid of any lumps. Now we're going to add just a little bit of lemon zest. Kind of brighten that up. Got our splash of cream. And let that thicken just a little bit more. During this time, you can add a generous amount of black pepper. You want a nice, velvety, creamy consistency. Now that it's thickened to where we want it, we're going to add just a little bit of butter and our chives. Turn off the heat and just stir. Make sure that butter emulsifies. It'll be a nice rich sauce. Now for the plate up, nice center dollop of the mashed potatoes. Here we have our braised collard greens with some smoked turkey necks. We have our beautiful herb roasted airline chicken breast. Thank you, Bell & Evans. Now, finish with our beautiful chive black pepper chicken gravy. Enjoy.